What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'm going to show you guys how to mix two-stroke oil for your line trimmer, blower and your chainsaw. Let's do this.
Alright, so what I like to do, I've always got two different containers for my fuel. This one here is my regular straight unleaded fuel without any oil. This one here is the green one, which I use for two-stroke. So what I like to do, okay, it's important to make sure you get the right oil. Now this one here is designed for your line trimmer, your blower, your chainsaw, okay, pretty much anything in your garden. So it's very important to make sure that you add your oil to your fuel. In this case, what we use is regular unleaded fuel, and you need to mix the oil with there. Now if you don't mix oil with your fuel and you happen to use your regular unleaded with your line trimmer, there's a good chance that you're going to damage your motor for it. So it's very important to make sure you add oil. Now I mean, if you put too much oil, it's not the end of the world. What will happen is it won't run as well and it'll blow blue smoke everywhere. So that's pretty much the worst case scenario if you put too much oil. But it's very important to make sure that you add the oil. So what I'm using is a Briggs & Stratton two-stroke oil. This one here is designed for all your garden products. Okay, so what I like to do, 5-litre container of regular fuel, and we've got the two-stroke oil. So if you have a look on the back, it tells you how many mils to put in terms of the ratio. Now when you're having a look at the ratio, the majority of your line trimmers, your blowers, your chainsaws, everything like that will be 50-1, but double check with your manufacturer. Some of them are 40-1, and as you can tell, they got different ratios, but the majority of them you'll find are 50-1. So like I said before, if you put too much oil, it's not the end of the world. It'll blow a bit of smoke and it'll also run a bit rough. But at the same time, if you don't put enough fuel, that's when you can start causing damage to your trimmer or your blower or your chainsaw. So in this case, if you don't have the manufacturer's manual with you, which most people don't, if you have a look, it actually says on the cap here 50-1, so double check your one. If it's still fairly new and not worn out, hopefully it might have the ratio on there. So what I'm using is 50-1. So if we have a look at the back here, we can see 50-1. I've got a 5-litre container, so that means I need 100 mils. Now what I like about this is that when I purchased this was about 5 years ago, and it's only just about to finish now, so it lasts a long time. You don't have to fill up much oil at all. And what I like about this is it's got the measuring section up on the top. So what I find is anytime I've got measuring cups or spoons, I tend to step on them, break them, lose them. So in this case, it's always part of the package, which is pretty awesome. And it's very, very easy to fill up. So if we have a look here, it's got the measurements or the increments all up along here. All you do to fill this up, and you can see it's almost finished as it is. So we've got about 30 mils in there now. Need to fill it up to 100. So all I do is loosen this cap off here and then just simply squeeze. As I squeeze, you can see the oil start to travel up the tube along the side, and that'll fill up this container. So all we do is just need to squeeze, keep holding that pressure, and that'll just keep filling up. We're up to 90. And 100. So that one was actually a lot harder than usual to put in. That's because it's pretty much finished now, but I've got my 100 mils right there. So all I do is simply open this up. Now what I like to do is I like to put the oil in before I put the fuel in. That way this one here is nice and empty now. I'll put the oil in that way. Once I fill it up with fuel on top, I don't need to shake it around as much to try and mix that oil with the fuel. So like I said, pour that in. And now I'll just head off to the gas station and I'm going to fill this container up. Actually, I think this one, yep. I'll fill up both containers at the gas station.
So there you have it, guys. That's how to mix your two-stroke oil with your fuel for your line trimmer, blower and your chainsaw. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys how to do it. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.